viewers, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can pair your PS5 controller with your iPad and play games. So you need to press this PS button and this key simultaneously. So once you press this, it will start blinking, and in your iPad you need to go to Bluetooth settings. So I'll be going to Bluetooth settings, and here you will be able to see this DualSense wireless controller, and you need to select this one. So once you select this one, your controller is connected with your iPad. So you can see that with this controller I am able to switch screen between the iPad. With this controller I will play this game which supports PS5 controller. So it will load and it will take some time. I will cancel this, and you can see that in play it is asking to press X. I will press this. As you can see that with this controller we can play multiple games, Asphalt 9, Call of Duty and many more. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And thanks for watching.